Hi guys, welcome to One Day GC TV. I'm Mia.
And I'm Jang, and this is...
I'm Bijim. So, sorry guys that we haven't do the 20 pesos challenge. But today, we're going to unbox an item. So, we're going to get it. Ta-da!
This is the blower.
Portable
Mitsushi.
blower.
Air
In
blower.
Mitsushi.
So let's
So, we're going to let you see the front first. Next is the
Abog.
side. And the back, same. But this is the real one, it's the front. And another side. And the back,
At the back.
There's nothing you can see.
none. And the... Okay guys, we're going to open this now
Okay.
with my sister and brother.
Say hi. Smile.
So, first we have is,
Ano sa
cosmetic.
cellphone?
First is this one.
Or
The
the
for
air
It-
will not get out.
no. You're wrong. You're road. But this one, if you have
Dirt catcher.
this is a dirt catcher.
Now, we will show you later how to use this.
Yeah, we will show you how to do this.
Use.
Use to this. Okay, so
Use to
next is this one. It's the blower that blow
Attachment. Yeah.
attachments. Where's the... Okay, guys.
Si Jang mag-show sa manual.
This is a manual.
Let's see if this is a English or
Not
a China.
China or not? Not.
Chinese.
Let's see.
Well, guys, it's an
It's
English.
in English.
Joy, don't be
Okay.
sad. Just happy. And the last one is
The blower.
blower. Cha-ja.
We will gonna test the blower and teach you how to use it.
This is the extension one. This is the wire. Just be careful. Please do not use this for kids 1 to 5 years old. I have done this before. That
Yeah, the other one.
the other one, I just fart.
Okay, you turn around.
This is the hold. This is the holding, and this is the plug.
That's the switch on.
Switch on. And this is the one that puts that here.
If it is a vacuum,
Vacuum cleaner.
it can be used a vacuum cleaner.
No, not there. You are wrong. You're wrong. You're rude. Okay, it's not.
You're wrong.
You're rude. You're rude.
It's here. No, you are not wrong.
That's a
now.
blower. If it's a blower, you don't put that one.
Eh.
That's the blower. And if you use it as a vacuum cleaner,
Vacuum
Like
cleaner, like that. And that. And this one. Wisa, large kaayo.
this is does not fit. It doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit. It's unfair. This one is fit.
It fits, but it have to be like that.
Oh, the camera! The camera!
Look at.
Okay,
It's
that's
weird.
it.
It's
Like
weird.
that.
It's weird.
Okay.
Guys, it's weird. Look at this! Someone-
Okay, so never mind.
Never mind that
Just
one.
the blower.
This didn't fit right there. Maybe let's do it like that.
Nah, because it's a fold.
There.
You put na lang that one. We'll try the blower na lang.
Yeah. Here we go.
You put the attachment.
Oh, I forgot.
Come on. What are you doing now, little sister? There's the instruction wire.
What? Not the extension.
No, it's only just a joke. It's in
Extension. Extension.
Extend.
Extension.
Extension.
There.
Okay, so what's next? You have to.
Plug it. Be careful.
Must be 220 volts.
So we're going to
No,
plug
you
it.
put, sige, you put the lower.
This. No! Wait. Only the girls, not boys. Boys, get the girls first, not boys. Never mind Daddy because he's my father, not brother. 3, 2, 1. Joke. My turn.
Huwag nga dyan.
None.
My turn.
Fine. It's your turn. Put this right here. Wait.
Ay, buka na. Janin.
Let's try mama.
Sige.
Okay, that's it.
It's hot.
It's a blower, it's hot. Okay.
Next, we're going to do is
Never mind.
it's hot.
It's time out.
So guys,
That's all.
I hope you enjoyed it, that we unbox an item. And just I'm going to tell you the warning that do not please
Do not please.
stay away from this 1 to 5 children because it is dangerous to do.
Years
Okay.
old.
Say 3, 2, 1.
You say?
Please
Thank
like.
you guys for watching our video. And please like and subscribe.
Jijid, come here.
Ay!
Me. And comment.
Comment,
Down!
comment and like and share.
And thank you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bloopers kay Kapidin.
Bye guys.